told your friend you're not okay.
Hi everyone, today we're gonna unbox M2 Pro Miner, and we're gonna set up as well. I want to show you how to do it properly. Okay, let's see what is in the box. Cool. So we have a invoice, and we have actually the miner. Right, as you can see, we have MatchX miner here. Just now we're gonna unbox M2 Pro Miner, and we're gonna see what we have in the box. Okay, so M2 Pro Miner is from MatchX, as you can see. So here we have the instructions. So this code is to scan in order to register your M2 Pro Miner to DataHighway. We're gonna talk in the next video. Okay, so here, as you can see, we have 8 steps what you need to follow. But most definitely we're gonna simplify everything for you. Cool. We have instructions as well here, as you can see. M2 Pro Miner assembly instructions. Okay. So you can read just to see what's happening. Cool. That's brilliant. So here we have 3 antennas. So antenna with G letter. We have 2 antennas with L0 and another antenna which is the same L0. We have a cable, as you can see. We have a cable and we have a power adapter. a power adapter, and here we have power over internet, and we have local area network. So this will power the miner, and this will go to the internet. We're gonna talk later on. Here we have screws, as you can see, if you want to install on the wall or whatever. And here we have a holder if you want to install on a antenna or whatsoever. And here we have our miner. Here we have a sticker we're gonna install on this miner, and we have one internet cable, which is a small one, and we have a longer internet cable, which is for longer distances. So we're gonna use both. I want to show you here. Actually, we have as well some plastic things in order to direct your cables. As you can see, in order to manage properly your cables. Cool. Thank you very much for watching, and see you for the next step in order to install M2 Pro Miner. Thank you very much.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.